Hello. So today we are going to discuss about the myelinated and the non-myelinated nerve fibers. So the myelinated nerve fibers, it is also called as the white nerve fiber or the medullated nerve fiber. Okay. And the non-myelinated nerve fiber, as you can see in this picture, it can be said as gray nerve fiber and non-myelinated nerve fiber, or you can say as non-medullated nerve fiber. It's the opposite. So you just need to remember the names. Myelinated, medullated and white nerve fibers are the synonymous names. Okay. Similarly, the non-myelinated, non-medullated or the gray nerve fibers are the synonymous name. Okay. So if we'll talk about the myelinated nerve fiber, as the name itself implies that the myelin sheath is present. Okay. So here you can see in this picture, the myelinated nerve fibers are present mostly in the brain, spinal cord, cranial and spinal nerves. And these fibers, the axon, so this is the axon part. So the axon is covered by a tubular myelin sheath. Okay. And the cytoplasm or the exoplasm is covered by a exolemma or the neurilemma. So this covering is called as the neurilemma. Okay. So below the exolemma or the neurilemma, the flattened nucleated Schwann cells are present. So this is the Schwann cell. The myelin sheath is made up of lipoprotein. It is fatty in nature, lipoprotein, and forms a spinal envelope around the axon. Okay. So you can see in between the Schwann cell, you can see there is nodes of Renbier. Okay. So the interruptions are the nodes of Renbier. Okay. So these are present in the peripheral nerve fibers, and the distance between the two nodes of Renbier is called the internode. Okay. And each node, the Schwann cells form a thin band called the cementing disc. It is not described in this picture. The myelin sheath in the internode may show a variable number of oblique clefts or the myelin clefts. Okay. So this is all about the myelinated, medullated or the white nerve fiber. Let's switch to the non-myelinated nerve fiber. So as the name itself indicates that these small fibers are without the myelin sheath. You can see in this picture there is no myelin sheath. Okay. So the axon is surrounded by a syncytial sheath of Schwann cell. Syncytial means multinucleated structure of Schwann cells with scattered nucleus, and the autonomic ganglia possesses these types of axons. Okay, so example will be the autonomic ganglia. Okay, so in this case the myelin sheath is absent, and the axon is surrounded by generally the syncytial sheath of Schwann cell, that means multinucleated structure with scattered nuclei. So this is all about the differences between the myelinated and the non-myelinated, or the medullated or non-medullated, or the white nerve fiber or the gray nerve fiber. Okay, so thank you.